कंपनियों के लिए फंड जुटाना आसान होने वाला है। मार्केट रेगुलेटर सेबी की चेयरपर्सन माधवीपुरी बुच ने कहा कि राइट्स इशू और प्रेफरेंशियल इशू का कॉम्बो लाने पर विचार कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि ऑफर डॉक्यूमेंट को भी आसान बनाने पर काम चल रहा है।
New innovation brought forward by the SEBI team, which is a combo product of a rights issue and a preferential allotment. First of all, the entire end-to-end process can be completed in 23 days as compared to even a preferential allotment, which the industry loves because of the speed, takes 42 days. So this innovation is actually going to almost halve the time that you need, even as compared to the fastest route available today. So this is really an expressway which we are facilitating. For an existing company that is going the rights way to preferential allotment, there is really no need for SEBI to get in the way. Anyway, the company is there, it's a running company, it is making all disclosures. The only thing required is to say what are you going to use this money for, which is hopefully just 2 pages. So there is no need for SEBI to come in the way at all. So we are eliminating the SEBI step. Then we are saying it's only a 2-page document saying why you're raising money, why do you need a merchant banker? So no compulsory merchant banker. So with all of these things, the whole objective is that we should now create this equivalent of Eastern Express Highway to be able to do fundraising in a way that is fast, cost-effective, and at the same time fully protects the investor because it's the right way to a preferential allotment.
दमदार नतीजों और मैनेजमेंट के मजबूत गाइडेंस के बाद जोमेटो का शेयर रॉकेट बन गया। सारी डिटेल्स के साथ मौजूद है हमारे साथ आशीष चतुर्वेदी।